Yo, what's up guys? So I met another vlogger here.
Yeah.
Whose actually name is also Paulo.
Yeah, my name is Paulo. So people used to call me by my real name, right? It's Paulo Escobar.
What's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Paulo Levy here. So guys, for today, we're gonna be doing an event. Well, me and wifey is going to do an event at Seafood City here in Chicago. I'm gonna be doing it with Jason Delarosa. Basically, let's go over here. So it's a Christmas program that was created by like 20 Filipino organizations here in Chicago, and it's called the Paskuhan, and we were lucky enough to be invited to it, and we're gonna be doing the videos and the photos for that event. Me and Jason and my wife also, and his wife is gonna be doing all the videos and photos for that. So why don't you guys just tag along and we'll see what happens. So guys, all is set and we are ready to go. We got the Eve case ready to go with the monopod. We're just going to have a very quick breakfast and then we are off. Alright guys, so we are here at Market Mix. So Jason is still not here. He's like 45 minutes away. There's wifey right there. This place is actually huge, but the event is not going to be in here. It's going to be over there, so we're just gonna go there. So the program actually starts at 2 p.m. but we're already here. Like we need to be here at 1:30 to get like a group photo or whatever. So that's basically what's gonna happen right now. Okay, let's go. So guys, we're here. We're still waiting for Jason. Jason, where are you? So this is the event, guys. Alright, there you have it guys, the photo group up, whatever, is done. So
By the way, this is for Paulo Levy. Paulo Levy, this is your certificate.
finally he's here.
Red nose reindeer.
Okay, whatever. Everett and Alpha. And we are so honored to be spending this afternoon with you.
That's right.
What? Parang hindi sila nakikinig. Nakikinig po kayo.
Clap once if you hear us. Oh, more than once.
Once nga lang eh, hindi marunong sumagot ng isang pagsak lang. Already, let's do it. Isang pagsak! Parang hina, parang gutom eh. Kailangan siguro Noche Buena na muna. Ay, hindi, mamaya pa tayo. Niluluto pa lang eh. Okay, ulitin natin. Isang pagsak! Dalawa! Entertainment portion. We'd like to call on Sir Willie Buhay.
Yes, and Miss
Josephine Mascarenas to help us.
Sir Al.
Yes.
Why this parole?
Why Gasparo? Because that's our Filipino tradition.
What inspired you to
What
make?
inspired me is that I want to get the concept of all Filipino tradition, like the lechon.
Oh, he
grandma.
Your grandma? Where's your grandma?
Grandma, where's Grandma?
Oh,
Please welcome Miss Bella Alouette, who will be singing
Colette.
Colette?
Colette.
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 French siya kasi.
Night wind to the little well. Do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, little bell. Do you see what I see? The star in the sky, dancing in the night with the dead. We got to cry. Goodness and love. Oh, magsaya at magdiwa pagkat sumila ang hari ng lahat, ang hari ng lahat. Kaya at buksan ng pinto ng aking pagmamahal.
If you know the song, can you please sing with me? Pasko na, sinta ko, hanap kita. Bakit nagtatampo sa iyong sinta ang sinumpaan at pagtitinginan tunay. Come on, people!
Alright guys, this is the part where the exchange gift is gonna happen. Yeah.
Pasko na naman, o kay tuli ng araw. Pasko na naman, tila ba kung kailanman. Ay, Pasko!
Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? So I met another vlogger here
Yeah.
whose actually name is also Paulo. which
Yeah, my name is Paulo.
crazy.
So people used to call me by my real name, right? It's Paulo Escobar. And then it just got too confusing with Pablo Escobar, so I just changed it to Lakan. Which is cool.
Check his channel guys, I'm gonna put it on the description down below.
Yeah.
His name is LakanMusic, that's one word, but you know, just check it on the comment down below. So this
Hey.
is,
I'm gonna do that laugh that you always do in your vlogs. You ready?
okay,
Did you put that in the vlog?
Yeah.
I saw that in the last one.
that was cool.
Anniversary falls in February. Come on over here.
Which one?
Teka muna, tanungin mo muna anong anniversary. Teka muna, pabulong, baka magkopyahan eh. Wow!
I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
So that's it guys, it's a wrap. Actually we're still gonna be here, I don't know, I think we're gonna cover the Simbang Gabi, which is going to be held at 6 p.m. The time right now is, so it's 5:26, so we have like 30 minutes to do. So yeah, that's a wrap guys, basically. But we're still gonna be covering the Simbang Gabi, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. So we're done with the event. Yeah, I wasn't able to go take a lot of B-rolls because I was like steady on the camera. I had to stay with the monopod and the AD. So it was kind of hard to do some B-roll. Finally, guys, we found a spot. This is actually nice. Look at that. Perfect. Boom. So guys, make sure to subscribe to LakanMusic. His name is also Paolo, which is also cool. I think he just started 3 months ago and he has like 300 subscribers. But he's basically like a musician and he does his own music. So make sure to check his channel out. Linking his channel on the description down below. So make sure you go there and check him out. Basically, he's a really good guy. And if ever you're in, he's actually based from LA, so if ever you're in LA, make sure to hit him up. Probably gonna be doing a little bit of collaboration, because he's gonna be staying here until like a month, like what I said earlier. He's gonna be staying until January, so if I have time and he has time also, we probably might be doing another collaboration with that, so watch out for that, guys, okay? But meantime, let's do this!
Call Mrs. Karen. So by the way, this is Karen. And guess Pinoy, this is very, very late that I'm giving her a certificate. There you go. Picture para sa cameraman right there. And also I'm gonna call your husband, Pablo Levy, right there.
Oh yeah!
There you go.
There you go.
Finally, after ilang months?
I don't know.
June? July, August, September, October, November, December. 5 months.
It's been 5 months.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I know it's late, but
oh
hey,
my gosh.
certificate
I'm gonna hang this.
Certificate. By the way, nagkamali ako rito. Mr. siya. So, nilagyan ko lang S.
Bloopers.
So, maging Mrs. And at the back, nasira siya. So, nasira siya. I'm just improvising right now. Okay. Yeah. But next time, I will make it better. And if you guys volunteer and continue volunteering at Fiesta Pinoy, so that'd be nice.
This is what it is all about, guys.
That's what's up, guys.
Yeah.
So I have nothing else for you guys. Do you have anything for me?
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. So anyway,
thank you for this experience. First of all, I want to thank all my fans.
There you go. Subscribe to my channel. It's Deped101 or Jason Delarosa.
Yeah.
And what I do is YouTube tips and tricks. And if you want to go attend my class online, it's always in the morning in Chicago, but it's 10 p.m. in the Philippines.
There you go, guys. Boom.
All right. Peace out.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, just give it a thumbs up. Always remember guys to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Come on, end it for me. End mo, baby. End mo.